Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope you're all in your good health and feeling great and enjoying Ramadan. It's very well going. The weather is very nice. We're all enjoying our fast and going so well. We're enjoying Ramadan. So another beautiful day, a little hot, not much, but shiny, beautiful day with a lot of colors. Still, we have flowers outside, we have butterflies, we have bees. You have so many things which you can enjoy in Ramadan and in this season as well. So the spring is going and the summer is coming. So we should be ready for that as well. And we are going to start. So we are in our numeracy class today, and we are going to do a little of the thing with shapes, different shapes. We are doing shapes. We did shapes before even, and we will be doing because shapes are all around. We have shapes everywhere. The things we're using. The things which we are at home, in your bedroom, maybe in your kitchen, in your lounge. There are like so many things, and everything has a shape, and they're of different shapes, and they are made with a combination of different kind of shapes. So I hope you remember we did different kind of shapes, right? So I'm just going to quickly just want you to have a look at that. Remember the shape? We did this before. Yeah, it's so long we did that. So I hope you remember the name of this shape. See, from this side, if you see, this looks like if you look at this, one side, this looks like a square. Yes, this looks like a square. And if we just roll it and we look at through all the dimensions of this is a cube. Yes, cube. So the cube has how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow, 6 squares make a cube. Remember we did that? Yes. Then, now look at this. This is also a square. Does it look like a square? Yes. But if you look at this side, this is a rectangle, right? So 2 squares and 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, they make a rectangular cube, right? So remember, and you must have seen these type of shapes in your kitchen when you go for the grocery and you're going for your junk food. Like you must have seen these kind of boxes. Yes. Okay. Then, yes, another one. This is a cylinder. You also have seen this even when you go to buy your snacks. Remember? Yes, the cylinder is long, and from one side, this looks like a circle. From the other side, this looks like a circle, and then there's a long, long circle. So this is a cylinder. This rolls and rolls and rolls. So remember, we did cylinder as well. And yes, we did, what is this? What do we call it? Sphere. Yes, sphere. So these are 3D shapes, and we did 2D shapes as well. So quickly just have a look at the video which we have seen before, and you're going to see this now. Yay.
Today's topic, shapes, 3D shapes.
3D shapes, cube, cylinder, cone,
Wow, there are different types of cones. They're wearing a cone hat.
rectangular, prism,
Yeah, that's a rectangular prism.
sphere, hexagon, torus, square-based element,
The base is square, oval.
yeah, those are 3D shapes.
Wow. See, these are the shapes we did before. And I just want to show you another video, which even we did before. This is also about shapes. So maybe I just want to show you in the beginning. So I want you to recall that because we are going to do a little exercise. So I'm just quickly want you to watch that video as well, right? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one. Now this is also about shapes.
Ooh, hey,
Wow.
hey. Oh, hey you are. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about shapes and learn how to draw them. So come, let's practice and learn about shapes. Enjoy. Ooh. Square. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4
4.
sides. That's it.
Square.
1, 2, 3 sides. And
What's
that's
3
a
sides?
triangle.
Triangle. Yeah, yeah.
That's a circle
Yeah,
with
that's
one stroke.
yeah.
Yes. Come on. All right. That is a circle. That has 2 names.
This
Sides.
is hexagon.
5, 6 sides. That's a hexagon.
Yay, hexagon.
1,
What is
2,
this?
3, 4,
Isn't this a
5, and
pentagon?
that's a pentagon.
Yay, very
5
good.
sides. Oh, that's a sign. What sign is that?
You
Let's
remember?
learn. Not easy to make. Yes. Understood. Come on. Yes. Again. Oh, yes. That works. Yes. And
Good.
yes. That's a peace
Peace
sign.
sign. Yay.
Oh, that one is easy. A one stroke. That's a
Oval.
That's an oval.
Yay.
That's easy too. It's like a D upside down. That's a semicircle. That's a one stroke. A line. This one has 4 sides, but it's not a square.
Yes.
What is it?
What is it?
It's a rectangle.
Yay, rectangle.
Oh, that's interesting. A curved line. It's a zigzag. So these are the shapes we learned today.
Yay, that's great. Thank you. Thank you. See, these are the all shapes we have learned before and we are learning again because we want you to remind that and use it in your daily life. Okay, so now as I told you that we're going to do a little exercise. So we are just going to open up our Maths Wise book 2. Yes, quickly take out your Maths Wise book 2. And we are going to do a shape exercise. Yes, exercise is good. That even shapes our body when we are doing exercise. But this exercise is that we're going to see more and more shapes. Yes, okay, that's great. So, page number 19. Yes, we're going to take our page number 19. So we do that shapes. Yes. Now there are so many pictures on this page. You're going to see that? Yes, that's great. Okay. So have you opened up the page and what do you see on the page? Number 19? Yeah, there are many things. Yeah, there are like A couple of things you can see over here. Right now, have a look at this. These are the pictures which you'll be focusing on right now, right? So you'll be looking at them now. This says the can you name the shapes? Now there are a couple of things. This is a can, an orange, a carrot, a juice box, and this is I think tuna fish tin. Then there is something powder. So there is an ice cream, an egg, a balloon, grapes, a butter. So they're like different things. These are the things which you see in your daily life, which you even use, but maybe you don't focus on the shape at that time. So we are just going to focus on the shape of these things, and we will see them as the shapes, as if we just go to the shop and we find this cylinder on the shelf, which is of some shapes. So you'll be able to find that. So we will not be looking at this as a cylinder of chips. This is the shape right now. And even if we have seen this on the shelf like a biscuit, so we're not going to have a look at this as a biscuit. Now this is a rectangular prism for us, right? Okay, that's great. So in the same way, we're going to look at these things. Now the first one is, I think this is the nut box. Now what is the shape of this? What do you think? Yeah, this looks like a cylinder. Okay, now what do you think the orange looks like? A sphere. Yes, very good. This is a sphere. This is round like this. Not very much like this, not accurate round, but this is orange is like a sphere, right? Then we have carrots. Now, what do you think carrots look like? Look like a cone. Yes, this looks like a cone. Then we have this juice box. I think this is a juice box. No, this is a cornflakes. You must have seen a cornflakes box, right? This is a small cornflakes box, but usually we have the big cornflakes box. So that is, even we call it a, what do we call it? We call it a rectangular prism, like the tissue boxes, like this tissue boxes. These are also rectangular prism. These shapes are also, they are also rectangular prism. So cornflakes is also rectangular prism. So now we have this tuna fish tin. You must have seen this is this small, and this is round in shape. See, round in shape. So what do you think this should be? Look like what? Doesn't it look like this? And maybe if you just cut it to this will be as small. So what this will be? This will be sphere, yes. Oh, sorry, this will be cylinder, sorry. Okay, and now look at this. Yeah, this looks like a cylinder, very good. Okay, now what is this? This is, there's nothing written on it, but maybe looks like some nuts and all. This looks like this. So this is a cube, right? This is a cube. And oh, ice cream. That's very easy. What is the shape of the ice cream? What is this shape? Cone, yes. We name it cone, that we want to eat cone. Yes. Then we have this butter. This looks like a tissue box, doesn't it? Yeah. So this is also rectangular prism. Yes. And wow, look at them. These are very small, but however that, these are grapes. Now just think and imagine, what is the shape of a grape? Looks like what? Oh, well, that's great. And so as the egg. Egg is, does egg look like this? No, egg is not round. Egg is oval. Yes, that's great. So we have balloon. We have balloon, a balloon, but not much. So what is the shape of the balloon over here? Is it a balloon or, yeah, this is a balloon. This doesn't look like a watermelon, but maybe this could be watermelon. This could be balloon. But what is the shape of this? Round. Very good. Excellent. And then we have something, yeah, cookie box. Now this cookie box, is it a cookie box? Yes, this is a cookie box. So the cookie box, look at this. What's the shape of the cookie box? This is also cube. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now when you look at this, they have given you the shapes: cube, cylinder, sphere, cone, oval, and rectangular prism, right? So they've given all the shapes over here, and now they ask us to count how many cubes are there, how many cylinders, how many spheres over there, right? Now look at this carefully. Now, how many cubes? Okay, we are going to count first. Now we find one over here and the other over here. Any other? No. So we have how many cubes over here? 2. So what you're going to write here? 2. Very good. So you're going to write here 2 cubes. Very good. Okay, done. Okay, now look at the cylinder, and we're going to see how many cylindrical shapes we have seen over here. Right? The first one was cylinder. This one was cylinder. And this is also cylinder. Now 1, 2, and 3, right? Now, how many cylinders do you see here? 3. So we're going to write here 3. Very good, very good. Quickly write here 3. Okay, now we're going to look at the sphere. Yes, look at the sphere. Now, how many spheres do you see over here? The shape? Yeah, that's great. Very good. And the other one? Yay, very good. The balloon. Okay, now how many spheres do you see here? 2, very good. You're going to write here 2. Very good. Right here, 2. Okay, now look at the cone. Yes, the cone shape. Now, how many cone shapes we have seen over here? Yes, the cone ice cream. Very good. Cone ice cream and carrots. Very good. So we have 2 cones over here. So what we're going to write here? 2. Very good. Very good. Okay, now we have oval, right? Now, how many ovals we have seen over here? Yes, egg and grapes. Very good. So we have 2 ovals over here. So we are going to write here 2. Very good. And then the last one, the rectangular prism. Now we're going to have a look at that. How many we have seen? 1, 2, right? 2 of them. Yes, 2 of them. So because this is cube, so these are 2 rectangular prisms. So how many? Yes, 2 over here. Very good. Very good. So only 3 other cylinders, but the rest of them are all 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 shapes. Yeah, okay, that's great. That is great, right? So we have done this exercise, and we have seen the videos as well, and I hope you're going to remember these shapes, right? And you're going to see them, you're going to find them in your daily routine, the things which you eat, the things you have in your home. The cone is missing because I have eaten the cone ice cream. So we have all these shapes which we have revised and did the exercise. So you are going to look for all these exercise, right? And we are going to discuss it later. So this was a numeracy class, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class, but I'm just going to remind you to please subscribe the channel, and please give the video a thumbs up. And as you love your friends, you are going to share it with your friends. Yes, that's super great. So I'm going, and we'll see each other very soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.